Hey, it's Isabel from TheDietSolutionProgram.com, and in the video before this one I explained how bad high fructose corn syrup is for your health and how it may be hindering your weight loss efforts. So what I want to show you today is exactly how you can find high fructose corn syrup in the grocery store and in your cupboards. Now, one question I always get is, why do manufacturers put high fructose corn syrup in my food instead of sugar? It's much cheaper for them to use this chemical, high fructose corn syrup, than natural sugar. So actually, their food items will be a little bit cheaper, but you're the one that suffers. So the number one place most people are getting their high fructose corn syrup is in soda. Now, the ingredients list on this Coke is carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup. So the second ingredient in here is high fructose corn syrup. And there are 40 grams of sugar in this one can of Coke, which is the equivalent of 10 teaspoons of sugar. So imagine putting 10 teaspoons of sugar in a cup, adding some water, and then drinking that, or even worse, giving that to your kids. Now, speaking of kids, I see a lot of kids drinking Gatorade. Well, there's high fructose corn syrup in Gatorade. It also happens to be blue, and I don't know about you, but I'm not drinking anything with toxic blue in it. So if you're giving your children Gatorade or you're having Gatorade yourself and you think it's actually healthier than soda, you're wrong, because there's high fructose corn syrup in here. Now, here are a couple real shockers that really shock a lot of my clients and a lot of my readers. Raisin Bran, high fructose corn syrup in here. And a lot of people think it's a healthy cereal. It really isn't. It's got a lot of high fructose corn syrup in it, and it's just way too sweet. Another real shocker, 100% whole wheat Wonder Bread has high fructose corn syrup in it. Okay, here's another shocker. Light yogurt has high fructose corn syrup in it. Ritz crackers, jelly, the list goes on and on and on. So the only way that you're going to not eat this toxic substance is by reading the ingredients. Not just the nutrition label, you've got to read the ingredients list on all the foods that you're eating. Now, if you're eating foods that are absolutely natural, they're not going to have these chemicals in it. Now, you know, some of these are like a yogurt as a snack. Now, what would I have as a snack? I would have organic walnuts, organic fruit mix. I'm going to read the ingredients off of these organic walnuts. Ingredients, organic walnuts. That's it. No chemicals, no additives, no sugar, no high fructose corn syrup. Same thing with this fruit mix. Organic mango, organic apricots, organic prunes, organic apples. When you buy things that are totally natural, they're not going to have chemicals added to them. So most important is read the ingredients, read your nutrition labels. This is Isabel from TheDietSolutionProgram.com. Visit my website today to start putting together your own healthy meal plans and losing weight right away.